Andrew here at Gateway Toyota. I'd like to show you another fantastic vehicle we have in our pre-owned inventory. This is a 2014 Hyundai Elantra, and it's really a nice vehicle. And it's got really low case for the year, just over 73,000 kilometers, so very low case. It's got the 3M on the hood, really great shape. We've got really nice sort of sculpted design on this. Nice big trunk here. We've got the mats. Let me show you a few great features on the inside. So this one here is really nicely equipped. It's got the power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You've got the tilt steering, Bluetooth voice commands, audio controls on your steering wheel. You've got your cruise control. And as I said, it just has over 73,000 kilometers. Air conditioning, CD player, automatic transmission, heated front cloth seats. And it's really in great shape. For more information about this great vehicle, check us out at gatewaytoyota.ca or give us a shout at 780-439-3939 or come down in person. We're at 2020 103rd A Street Southwest in Edmonton. We can't wait to show you this fantastic vehicle. And for more information about upcoming products, check us out on our YouTube channel, Gateway Toyota in Edmonton. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You're going to get all the latest updates. We hope to see you soon. Take care.